And next, we'll need to set up fulfillment so that way when our customers purchase a product on our store, it actually gets fulfilled and sent out to them. And for that, we're going to use an app called DSers. Go ahead and check out the description, and there you'll find a link that will bring you to this exact page. And once you're here, go to the top right and click on Get Started. Then you'll create an account with your email, and then choose a password. Click on Get Started. Then for your platform, we'll be choosing Shopify. Then click on Install. Go ahead and click on Install again. And once more. Then here, click on Confirm. We'll just be going with the basic option for now. So under Basic, click on Get Started. And here we'll need to link our supplier. For this, you'll need to create an AliExpress account. So if you don't have one, click on Don't Have an AliExpress account. And once you get that set up, click on the AliExpress card here. Go ahead and click on Log In. Then click on Access Now. Then here, find your Shopify product. Click on this mapping button. Then paste in your AliExpress product link here. With that done, click on OK. And then click on Save. Go to the top right and close this pop-up. And here next to your Shopify product, you'll now see this small AliExpress icon here. And that means everything was done correctly. And now when a customer comes to our Shopify dropshipping store and orders a product, it's going to be fulfilled and shipped out from AliExpress.